He's making it. He's going, maybe. I think he got to the top.
I was watching him the other night, and his ass had wants to float.
Oh, another gear. Yes, yes, yes. How do you say, come on to her, bitch?
Yeah.
He keep going.
Yep. The skidder rats are all up there, too. Am I supposed to open this?
Everybody is on camera.
Yeah, great. Me on camera with a beer, perfectly.
Why not?
That seems to be like all the pictures of her ass. And you made that comment.